do in this video.
Two fingers.
Nothing to do.
Ow.
We're so
What's
bored.
my phone? What's my phone? Oh, watch it. You gotta watch it. Ow.
Exactly.
You gotta, ow.
Exactly what I told you not to do in the first place. You're gonna hurt yourself.
I got a bruise.
Good for you.
I'm surprised Josh wouldn't call them.
I don't really care. Josh is an idiot. And if you're watching this, Josh, I hate you. She's new. Exactly what I'm talking about. Exactly what I mean if you're thinking of what I mean new.
It smells like shampoo.
You haven't taken a shower in 3 days.
No, I haven't.
No, you haven't. Exactly.
yes, I
That's
have.
what I'm saying. No, you
yes,
haven't.
I have. I took a shower yesterday before I came over to your house.
Yeah, but we've been
For your information.
we've been in the pool twice, and there's chlorine in there.
True. Can you hand me strawberry shortcake?
No.
No.
I don't know, because we probably get high off of it again, and we have to get up early tomorrow. We're going to Wet Wild!
And end up on the floor.
Yes, we're going to end up on the floor
We're
again.
gonna end up on, no, give me it.
No, I will sit on it, I swear to God.
Give me it.
No,
Please.
no.
Please.
No.
Hey, that's not fair. I want to hit.
It smells so good. It smells like strawberries. Oh, no.
Yes.
Get up.
No.
Yes.
No.
Get up.
No. Give me it.
No.
One smell.
No.
One smell.
No.
Yes.
No.
Don't lick me. You're gonna lick me. Ew, that's nasty. You're gonna lick me.
I didn't lick you. I wasn't
going
close
to.
to licking you. Would I ever lick you?
Yeah, that's not fair. Taco, it's not fair. She's being mean.
I'm gonna sniff it. Oh,
Let me
speak of the
answer it.
devil.
Let me answer it.
No. What do you want?
I love you. Just kidding.
What do you do?
I was just kidding.
Are you in a new country?
What?
Like, are you there to like listen to country music or something?
No.
I hate country music. I listened to it today and I crapped my pants.
Oh. Weird
I
position.
should think let's say after 60 every
She
other day.
thinks we're they're sexy.
I'm like, what the? Oh my god, that's gay. I'm gonna plug in my mic into my Xbox controller.
You sucked.
Me? Well, thank you. You swallow.
I know.
I said that to my mom once and she backhanded me.
I'm gonna backhand the phone. I'm just kidding.
No, you're
You
not.
go right ahead.
Where's strawberry shortcake?
No.
Give me it.
No.
Why not? You have to smell it.
I accidentally hung up on him. I guess I'll
My
go on
bad.
that.
He's like, look at me.
He's not gonna answer, watch. Oh, maybe he is. Sorry, I accidentally hung up.
I'll be back.
Okay.
And he hangs up. And he's still on the phone?
Yes.
You gay.
Now he hang up. I hate him. And he has my number. Lucky you. Lucky bitch. I hate curly hair.
We've been recording for 5 minutes doing nothing.
That was like a bad pedophile. Did you see that face? Like,
What's this?
rocket ship thumbs. Rocket ship thumbs. I love that. So funny. I love that. Decimate, you are fucking awesome. I love you. Both of you. You're, good. Thing's awesome. Wait, no, what? I don't even know what I said. But I want one part of it. Pull it! Pull it! Pull it! Pull it! Pull it!
It's attached.
It's attached. Pull that sucker! Pull it! Let me try it.
It's hard, isn't it? Hello?
Shut up.
You shut up.
Hello?
What?
I said hello.
Oh, hi. I don't know, jacking off.
That's awesome.
I like that boom, 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 baby.
Me too.
I like that boom, 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 baby.
Really?
No way.
Smells so good.
Oh yeah, I know it feels good. You like this?
Ow.
I know, I shoved it in too far. I'm sorry.
Oh gosh, come on, dude. Yes. Yeah, I do.
Hey Alexis, did I shove it in too far? I'm sorry.
Nasty motherfucker.
Really? I'm gonna get no dude. Scissors!
Alright, zombies.
That's cool.
Everybody get their own little place.
We do it.
Ew, dude, I got a gun that says I will cock you gently. That's pretty gross. Come on, rip that door apart, baby.
I'm sniffing stuff.
The cock. The cocky cock.
Yeah, don't do that with scissors in your hand.
Foreskin off your penis and use it as a cigar.
Break that son of a bitch.
Okay. I like that boom, 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 baby. Who's gonna turn the power on?
Oh!
That's it?
Oh, wait, can I go for legs?
Yeah.
That's so much easier. You should have told me that earlier. See, now I got it. Oh, smells so good.
Crackheads. What?
Thank you, buddy.
I love you, you love me. We're not a happy family. We treat each other with perfect
No,
time.
I'm just kidding. I saw that on an elbow commercial.
Sniffing. I mean, strawberry shortcake.
Strawberry shortcake.
I like that boom, 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 baby.
It's boom, 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 bass.
Jeez. Wait, no, I'm not. Yeah, I am.
We should look up that song.
When we're done with this, sure.
Yeah.
An orange taco is online.
Orange taco.
Oh, your dog.
My dog is not orange.
But your dog's name is Taco.
Your dad isn't orange.
My dog.
Your dog's name is orange.
My dog isn't orange.
Have you ever heard of annoying orange?
What?
There's this thing called annoying orange on YouTube, and it is so annoying.
Yeah.
So
I know
gay.
if you
Huh?
What
What?
the heck?
so you-
Yeah, double point.
Whatever.
Her hair smells so good.
So what's to do me?
Your mom does.
If my mom is Alexis, that'd be pretty hot. I like that boom, 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 baby. I open the door, you guys.
Bed up right now.
What?
Say him.
And it right open.
He's a player. He plays his games for her. Get it?
He plays this.
Got lashed. Come on, Nazis.
Nazi zombies.
Zombies are really cool to kill.
Zombies are awesome. I'm gonna end the recording again. Recording for 11 minutes.
Okay, bye. I'm sorry.